Python time format check. At Python, I want to check if the input string is in HH such as 116 or 2316 or 2400 hours, giving true or false by the result. How can I achieve this by using regular expression?
You can achieve this without regular expressions.
Matches everything from 0 o'clock to 2400 hours.
This pattern should help you. This URL.
This will give you the regex object which will check it. However, depending on who you ask, 2400 hours might not be a valid time, it's 0 o'clock. But I guess this is easy to modify to suit your needs.